Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and insights. Today, we're exploring Hyundai's flagship SUV that's all set to redefine the full-size SUV segment in India, the Hyundai Palisade. Known for its luxurious features, spacious interiors, and advanced technology, the Palisade is perfect for families and adventurers alike. Let's dive in and see why the Hyundai Palisade is making waves in the Indian market. Body. Exterior design. The Hyundai Palisade is a head-turner with its bold, modern, and sophisticated design. The front grille is a massive parametric dual-pattern design, flanked by sleek split LED headlamps and vertical LED dials, giving it an imposing presence. The bold character lines, 20-inch alloy wheels and strong wheel arches add a muscular and commanding stance. Chrome accents on the door handles, window frames, and skid plates enhance its premium appeal. The rear features LED tail lamps, a wide tailgate design, and a sporty bumper with dual exhaust tips, completing its stylish look. With its bold aesthetics and premium styling, the Hyundai Palisade is designed to stand out on Indian roads. Safety and build quality. The Hyundai Palisade is packed with advanced safety features, making it a reliable SUV for families. It comes with 6 airbags as standard, along with ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and hill start assist control. Hyundai's SmartSense ADAS suite includes forward collision avoidance assist (FCA), lane keeping assist (LKA), blind spot collision warning (BCW), smart cruise control (SCC), a 360-degree camera system and rear cross-traffic alert add convenience and safety while maneuvering in tight spaces. The Palisade's high-strength steel body ensures durability and crash protection. With its comprehensive safety features, the Hyundai Palisade is built to protect technology and connectivity. The Hyundai Palisade is a tech powerhouse, offering advanced connectivity and entertainment features. The 12.3-inch infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for seamless operation. The Bose premium sound system with 10 speakers provides immersive audio quality, perfect for music lovers. Hyundai's BlueLink connected car technology offers remote start, climate control, geofencing, and live vehicle tracking via a smartphone app. Additional features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and ambient lighting ensure a tech-friendly experience. With its intelligent tech, the Palisade makes every journey smarter and more enjoyable. Price and variants. The Hyundai Palisade is expected to be positioned as a premium SUV in the Indian market, offering multiple variants. The base variant is expected to start at around 40 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering essential luxury and safety features. The mid-range variant, priced at approximately 45 Indian rupees lakh, adds more advanced tech and comfort features. The top-end AWD variant with all the bells and whistles is expected to be priced at 50 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. With its premium pricing, the Palisade competes with the likes of the Toyota Fortuner and the Skoda Kodiaq. Outro. So, what do you think of the Hyundai Palisade? With its stunning design, luxurious interiors, powerful performance, and